So where do you expect to be in a year? What's changing or happening in your business that you expect to really come to some fruition?
Yeah, so I expect in a year I'm going to have a team, and I'm going to be, like, my plan is I'm going to be driving enough business coming in that I'll be able to feed my team, and I'm probably going to not work with very many clients anymore. So the idea is that I'm really enjoying teaching other agents, and I want to do a lot more of that. When I spoke at Inman, I totally loved it. I'm one of the weird people in the world that actually enjoy public speaking, so I'd like to do more of that. And if I can spend more time teaching and training, and also have a team where, all this business is coming in and I can't do it all myself. So I finally had to start getting showing assistants and virtual assistants and outsourcing a lot of stuff. I've only been here a year. Isn't that crazy?
That is crazy.
But I went from zero business to being this all through YouTube. I do not call FSBOs and expireds. I do not door knock. I do not hold open houses. I don't send mailers to my farm. I don't do any of that stuff. All of my generation is online, usually for free. Mm-hmm. It's kind of crazy at how well this has worked for me. I'm still like, am I like, knock on wood, right, that this doesn't go away.
Is this some alternative universe that is subject to collapse?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I think part of your success is that you've done a great job, and I really, this is a mind shift that I think, in print advertising, a lot of people, and you still have it out there, here's a 3-2 on a great corner with a pool and a, beautiful backyard. And if you try to take that exact ad and migrate that online, I think it's really tough to find people. And you're finding people who are looking for an agent, connecting with them, and then showing them the 3-2 with the nice backyard, but that's not you're not leading with that.
No, in fact, yeah, I do run Facebook ads. Hey, my coming soon, check out my just listed, but I'm not that person that's posting all over my timeline, look at my new listing. Because it's just like you said, they're looking more for general information, not looking for that exact house necessarily.
Right.
And I had 2 listing presentations yesterday that did not come from my YouTube channel. They were online leads, but I was up against other agents. And before I went over there, I emailed them my pre-listing package, which is like, here's how I work, here's some information for you. I also do a listing presentation as a video, and I attached the video, and then I said, here's links to the type of marketing that I do. So when I showed up for the first appointment and we were talking, she said at the end, I got to tell you, I have one more person to interview, but you're totally my favorite, and you're getting the job. And by that evening, she emailed me and said, okay, you won. And she did not know me prior to sending the email to her, right? It was an online lead, but she did not know me from Adam. And the fact that she watched all these videos that I did, before I got there, she felt like she knew me already. So when I walked in, and she was totally at ease with me, and we were joking around, talking about how, I don't want to show you my daughter's room, it's so messy. And I said, girl, you don't even want to see my daughter's room, it's so bad. That it was just like 2 neighbors were chit-chatting, even though I had never met this woman before. Video helps so much to get them to know, like, and trust you before they ever meet you face-to-face. So I felt like I really had the advantage over the other agents that she was interviewing. Even if they'd been in the area a lot longer than me, they've sold a lot more houses in the area than me, the fact that she already felt like she knew me and trusted me, and I guess she liked me too, that it was kind of a slam dunk for me.